University of Illinois Extension, I'm Todd Gleason. A lot of the Illinois corn crop looks really good. The weather may change that, but for now, despite the shortfall in rain, it's not bad, or at least most of it isn't. However, there is a field along the Illinois River near Beardstown that isn't faring so well. Bt resistance may very well have arrived in Cass County.
This was a field that had been planted to a Bt hybrid that offers protection, or it should offer satisfactory protection against corn rootworm larval feeding. The plants were under pretty intense moisture stress. It's been a hot and dry spring thus far in the state. The leaves were rolled very tightly. The adult beetles were feeding on the epidermis of the corn leaves, which will add further stress to those plants. This feeding on the leaves is pretty common when the beetles don't have any pollen, don't have any silks to feed upon, and so they were really causing quite a bit of injury to the leaves. But more importantly, after we began to dig up some roots, it was pretty clear that some very significant pruning had also taken place on those root systems.
On the 7th day of June, a full month earlier than would have been expected, in a hybrid that should have been protected by its Bt modification, a full node of roots, sometimes 1.5 to 2 nodes, was missing. It could be Bt-resistant western corn rootworm.
Well, I think it could potentially. Last year, a researcher at Iowa State University published the first report confirming the evolution of field resistance to this Cry3BB1 protein. This was the protein that hit the marketplace for the first time back in 2003.
Following that report, there were fields in northwestern and north-central Illinois said to have significant western corn rootworm feeding injury last year. Results of a bioassay to determine if those insects are in fact resistant to Bt corn are due in August. For University of Illinois Extension, I'm Todd Gleason.